Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome brothers and sisters to our HSK class. Let's start with text 2. In HSK 1, lesson 1, text 2, we have two people, A and B. Let's start with A. A said, 您好 您好 B 你们好 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 The meaning of 您好 is hello. It is similar to 你好, but this 您好 it is used in polite form. Like your teacher, your boss, you can say 您好 您好 and 你们好 你们好 It is also mean hello, but it is plural form. You can say 你们好 if it is a group of people. 你们好 This is the character 您好您好 This is the character for 你们好你们好你们好 If you enjoy our class, please encourage us